Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK350. This one is in the polar white exterior and it does have the beige leather interior. Coming down here to your wheels, we are riding on Pirelli Scorpio tires with our 20-inch alloys. And coming around back, you do have a power tailgate on this model, dual outlet exhaust down below. And then we do have smart key, of course, so just go ahead and keep the key fob on you. Hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in, this one does have 15,000 miles on it, so foot on the brake and button to start. So let's go ahead and check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath the hood, we have a 3.5 liter dual overhead cam V6 engine. Does have gasoline direct injection, producing 302 horsepower, 273 foot-pounds of torque, all going through Mercedes 4Matic all-wheel drive system and a 7-speed automatic transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming back in, we have that beige perforated leather interior on this model. As you can see, we do have mocha accents around the interior, such as your armrest, dash, and the wood trim throughout. Full-way power lumbar for your driver's seat right there. Then over here on your door panel, it's nice going to be padded and stitched down here on your armrest. We do have our power seats as well as 3-person memory, power locks, windows, mirrors, and then your trunk down below with some storage. Over here to the left of the steering wheel, we also do have our parking brake release, fog lights, and automatic headlights. Coming to that steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke, leather-wrapped wheel, side bolstering grip extensions, full-way D-pad for that center LCD and your speedometer, as well as over here we do have our audio controls, Bluetooth, voice commands, and then paddle shifters mounted on the back of the wheel for that 7-speed auto. Over here on the left, front wipers, rear wipers, high beams, and blinkers right here, as well as your power tilt and telescoping steering wheel and cruise control. Then over on the right is going to be your shifter for that 7-speed automatic, foot on the brake, all the way down for drive, and then all the way up for reverse. On your command audio system, you will have your rear backup camera. Then press the end of the stalk for park. As you can see, that front display is very nice. You have the driver assist function right there. And then going back to our trip, as you can see, this vehicle does have 15,708 miles as of now. But coming to your command interface, this is going to be your navigation. Going to input a destination, you can input an address, select from a point of interest, or designate a couple of personal points of interest into the database. Going to your audio system, checking out your sources. We have FM, AM, satellite, CD, memory card, as well as a music register, so you can load music onto the head unit, into the hard drive. You also do have USB auxiliary, as well as Bluetooth streaming audio. Going to your system settings, of course you do have your clock, and you can go through various vehicle settings right there. Down below that, your vents, of course, just some hard key controls for your command interface, so just press navigation, it will take you to nav. Volume, skipping, as well as your just on and off function. 9 presets over here, as well as your tri-stage heated seats. Eco and sport modes for your transmission, as well as your eco driving mode right there. Dual zone automatic climate controls for your front passengers. Fan speed, temperatures on either sides, and then of course you do have your zones right there. More of that wood trim. Below that, 12-volt outlet and a nice little ashtray right there. There's that command controller for your audio system up top. And then opening your armrest, as you can see down in there, you do have your dongles already in here for your iPhone, as well as your auxiliary inputs. There is plenty of storage, it is very deep. Then coming down here to your glove box, damped, felt lined with all your owner's manuals. Up top, auto dimming rearview mirror with your garage home link, as well as map lights underneath, as you can see right there. Up top we do have our dome lights, mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor, SOS Safety Connect, and then of course controls for your panoramic sunroofs. Automatic, of course, and we'll open right up. So we'll go ahead and close that, and let's check out the rear seat. And coming back here to the rear seat, of course your beige leather does follow through with your perforations. Door panel materials follow through as well with all your padding, stitching, and storage down below. Coming in, front seat set for my 5'9" driving frame, plenty of knee room, plenty of footroom down below. Front seat mat pockets as well as vent storage. You have a 12-volt outlet that does pop out right there. Then over here to my right, nice padded armrest that does come down. Opening it up, felt line storage, as well as cup holders. Adjustable rear headrest, as well as a nice dome light up top. Damped cornering handles and coat hooks. And as you can see, that second sunroof back here does let in a lot of light. And you can close the shade if you'd like to in case it is getting a little too bright. But stepping out, we'll go ahead and check out the cargo area and then we'll wrap up our video. Now coming around back, to open up your power trunk, there's a release inside as well as a button on your key. Just press and hold that. Will chime and open right up. Now as you can see, your rear seats do fold down 60/40. We also do have our tonneau cover right here. It is lined very nicely, carpeted. We also do have our all-weather floor mats for the front seats as well as carpeted ones. Temporary spare tire down there with our jack, front license plate bracket. You do have a AC outlet back here with illumination, and then over on the right just some netting. Nice chrome kick plates right here to protect the plastics and paint from any scuffing. And then up top, you do have your options just to close the trunk or close and lock. We'll close and lock it. And so that'll be it for this 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK350. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.